Okay, y'all, we're at Lake Sinclair Recreational Campground. Me and my buddy Spencer rode through just a few minutes ago, and we've already done the day use and put our money in the little box there, but they got camping there. But as you see, only $9 a site. Let me get a little closer so you can see it. If you got a pass, it would be $4.50. The lecture sites would be $10.50 with that pass there. Here's some things on the sign over here to tell you a little bit about it. This is in the Chattahoochee Oconee National Forest. I'll just scan through them. You can pause. They have a map, but you can't see it real good, so I'm not even gonna show it that much. Okay, I apologize if it's a little bouncy. I forgot my tripod when I left the house this morning, but right when you come in from the little shack there, nobody's there. You just fill out the paperwork. Make sure you put your thing up here on your mirror like I got mine. Anyway, this right here is the dump station. And they do have potable water that you can drink right here. So that's good. The dump station is right here. It's just a loop. It's all very clean. They do have a camp host here also, just to kind of give you an idea of what that looks like. Okay, I'll shut the video down until I get to the first loop. Okay, we're coming up on the first loop. It says there's water and electricity sites. This is Camping Loop A, units 1 through 5. There are people camping down here. There's one RV and there's a few tent campers. The sites are not concreted.
This is site number 1.
Spencer's filming too. So there's one of the sites right there. There's people on the other side of us, and I don't want to film them. But it's just a nice little gravel road. It's almost like you're riding down somebody's driveway. And there is a Class A RV, so you see that you can get an RV up in there. And then there's a motorcycle rider tent camper right here. And then there's a tent camper right here on the end. And I'll just stop it right there. Okay, we just passed that loop that we just came in. And this is going to be camping Loop B, units 6 through 15. There's a site as soon as you come in right here. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, they're not real level. There's some that look like they might be a little level, but there's most of them aren't real level, but it's not bad enough that you couldn't camp. And again, there's a lot of tent camping out here. And Spencer, I think there's one right there, isn't it?
Yeah,
there's one right there. I like it because you're not on top of each other, and if you went right here, there's a tent camping up in there, and there's a picnic table. Actually, yeah, there's a picnic table right there.
There's one right here too.
Yeah, there's two. I believe there's 2 sites there, right?
There's one.
Okay. I'm sorry for the glare too, y'all. We're just kind of winging this thing today. Apologize for that. Here's one right here. As you can see, the water is right there at this
one
tent camping. But I believe you could put a small RV right here.
They got the bridge.
Yeah. There's a bridge. Let me see if I can get a shot of that right there. Right down there. There's a bridge out to the water. Little small one. Then there's another tent camping right here. This is really a nice place, y'all. Again, you're not right on top of each other. You can tell that some of these tent camping had not been used much. You see that one there? Grass has just grown all up in it.
Yeah.
But again, if you're looking for a place that's very quiet and peaceful, I believe this would be it. There is a tent camping there, and then there's one right there that you can pull your RV in. Okay, we're gonna go right up here, take a right, and we'll go to the next loop. All right, this is the last loop. This is camping loop D. This is 27 through 44. This is the camp host is up here on this hill. Camp host is right up there. Anyway, they all look pretty similar. Now these two right here were kind of close together. And there's one on this side here. I wouldn't recommend putting an RV there because it's very, very unlevel, but you can tent camp there. And there's two sites right here. This is one I was talking about a while ago. I was thinking it was on the other side. With all the water's right here. And when we get around to the other side, we'll show you the little beach and all, and where the boat ramp is. But there's another tent camping up here on this hill. I'm telling you, man, it's just it's a beautiful little place.
Very beautiful.
But we got people over here camping. And then right here, that's backside the host, and then this is the bathrooms. Now the bathrooms that we went into did not have showers.
Yeah, get a shower, go to the lake.
Yeah, Spencer said if you need a shower, get in the lake. All right, we'll get right back with you. Okay, just pulled out of that loop and we're headed down to the water. There are bathrooms right here. They're very clean. We walked into them a few minutes ago. All up there is all kind of picnic tables. This is not camping down here.
Here's a little beach area.
Mm-hmm. This is real nice. We don't know how deep the water is. Spencer won't get out there. But anyway, you can't get your pets on the beach. It says no fireworks and swim at your own risk because there's no lifeguard. But I'm telling you, this is a pretty little place. I had never been here.
We just riding by and we saw it.
Yeah. And then there's a dock right here where you can tie your boats up at. Here is the boat ramp right here. And this is something that we thought it was really neat. This is a little small amphitheater. And
you can have your own church service right there.
You can have church service. You can have anything you want. But that right. Let me see if I can't. Let me see. Right there. You walk up there, you go to those tents where we were just at a while ago. Anyway, I don't know if you can see it or not, but looks like there's a little preaching stand, or you can stand there and play a guitar or music or whatever. And there's electricity there, but they sit. They sit right. I can't get my finger right. Anyway, you see it all out there. So anyway, we thought this was interesting to let y'all see, and we'll show you the water one more time. And there's the dock. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed that. This is Randy with Southern Adventures. My buddy Spencer's with us today. If you like this, hit the like button and subscribe to us. And we'll see y'all down the road. Y'all have a great day.